Welcome to our channel. Hey there, cozy lovers. Are you ready to turn your modern home into the ultimate winter wonderland movie night experience? Whether you're planning a fun evening with family, friends, or just a magical night for yourself, we've got you covered with 14 amazing tips to make your setup unforgettable. From warm and inviting seating arrangements to stylish snack presentations and frosty decor touches, these ideas will bring the charm of a snowy wonderland indoors. We'll also share how to create the perfect ambience with lighting, aromas, and even personalized surprises for your guests. Get ready to cozy up, embrace the winter vibes, and transform your space into a magical retreat. Don't forget to grab your blankets and let's dive in. Tip number 1. Snuggle Station. Perfect seating for cozy comfort. Create a comfortable seating arrangement with plush sofas, oversized chairs, and fluffy throw blankets. Opt for neutral tones like white, gray, or beige to mimic a snowy landscape. Add texture with faux fur blankets and oversized knit throws. Don't forget an array of throw pillows in winter-inspired colors like icy blue, silver, or deep burgundy. Consider layering a soft rug underneath for extra warmth. Arrange seating in a semicircle around the screen, ensuring everyone has a great view. Use poofs or floor cushions for additional seating while keeping the setup relaxed and inviting. Tip number 2. Flickering Ambience. Candlelit Glow. Set the mood with warm lighting by incorporating candles throughout the space. Choose an assortment of pillar candles in varying heights for a dynamic look. For safety and convenience, opt for flameless LED candles with a natural flicker. Arrange them on a mantle, coffee table, or floating shelves. Add candle holders with metallic finishes like gold or silver to reflect the light beautifully. If possible, include fairy lights or a string of warm, white lights to drape around the room, creating a soft and magical glow that enhances the winter wonderland vibe. Tip number 3. Snowy Screen Setup. Elegant display area. Transform your TV or projector screen area into a winter-themed focal point. Frame the screen with garlands of faux snow-covered pine branches and twinkling fairy lights. Add subtle accents like small white LED trees or frosted pine cones on the entertainment unit. For an even more immersive experience, consider playing a winter-themed screensaver before the movie starts to set the scene. Keep the area minimal yet festive to avoid distractions during the movie. Tip number 4. Winter Warmth. Hot Beverage Station. Set up a hot beverage station to keep everyone cozy. Include an array of options like hot chocolate, spiced cider, and herbal teas. Use glass jars to display toppings like marshmallows, whipped cream, chocolate shavings, and candy canes. Add a stylish electric kettle or a slow cooker for hot drinks, along with a stack of ceramic mugs in winter-themed patterns. To enhance the winter vibe, decorate the station with a small, frosted tree or snowflake ornaments. Label items with chalkboard signs or printable tags for a polished look. Tip number 5. Themed treats, snowy snacks spread. Prepare a selection of winter-themed snacks to match the mood. Offer popcorn in white paper cones or bowls dusted with powdered sugar to mimic snow. Include sugar cookies shaped like snowflakes, mini cupcakes topped with white frosting and edible glitter, and white chocolate-dipped pretzels. Use tiered trays or wooden serving boards for a visually appealing presentation. Incorporate winter-themed decor like small pine branches or fake snow to enhance the display. Tip number 6. Fluffy floors, luxurious rugs and cushions. Make the floor a cozy gathering spot with fluffy rugs and large floor cushions. Choose faux fur or shaggy rugs in neutral tones like white or light gray to evoke snow. Add oversized floor pillows in complementary colors, such as icy blue or silver. Ensure there are enough throws nearby for extra warmth. This setup invites guests to relax and enjoy the movie from a different perspective. Tip number 7. Winter aromas, scented candles and diffusers. Enhance the ambience with winter-inspired scents. Use scented candles or essential oil diffusers with fragrances like pine, cinnamon, or vanilla. Place them strategically around the room for a subtle, inviting aroma. Be mindful of strong scents that might overpower the space. Opt for light, natural fragrances instead. Incorporate decorative candle holders or diffusers that blend with the Winter Wonderland theme. Tip number 8. Frosty details, subtle decor touches. Add subtle decor details to enhance the Winter Wonderland feel. Include frosted branches in vases, snowflake ornaments on shelves, or small LED lanterns for a soft glow. Incorporate metallic accents like silver or gold for an elegant touch. Keep the decor cohesive by sticking to a white, silver, and light blue color palette. Tip number 9. Winter Wonderland playlist. Before the movie begins, set the mood with a winter-themed playlist. Include instrumental holiday music, soft jazz, or relaxing ambient tracks with snow and fireplace sounds. Play the music softly in the background as guests arrive and settle in. Use a high-quality Bluetooth speaker or sound system for clear, immersive sound. Tip number 10. Chic serving ware, elegant presentation. Elevate your movie night with stylish serving ware. Use white porcelain dishes, glass bowls, or metallic trays to present snacks and drinks. Add festive touches like snowflake napkins or stirrers shaped like candy canes. The presentation should be simple yet sophisticated to maintain the modern aesthetic. Tip number 11. Snow-kissed outdoor elements. If you have a window in the room, consider adding frosted window clings or a snow spray for a snow-kissed effect. If there's outdoor visibility, set up a few outdoor lights or lanterns to mimic the glow of a snowy evening. This adds a magical backdrop to your indoor setup and creates an immersive winter wonderland experience. Tip number 12. Winter Wonderland entrance. Create an inviting entrance that sets the tone for your movie night. Decorate the doorway with a garland of frosted pine branches or string lights. Add a small chalkboard or sign with a winter-themed message like "Welcome to our Winter Wonderland movie night." Enhance the coziness with a faux fur or knitted wreath and a small basket filled with blankets for guests to grab as they enter. If possible, incorporate lanterns or candles on either side of the entrance for a warm glow. Tip number 13. Snowy centerpiece for coffee table. Design a stunning centerpiece for your coffee table that complements the Winter Wonderland theme. Use a decorative tray to hold frosted pine cones, miniature trees, and LED candles. Sprinkle faux snow around the base for a magical touch. Add metallic accents, such as silver or gold ornaments, for an elegant sparkle. To keep it practical, ensure the centerpiece is low enough to avoid obstructing the screen and doesn't overcrowd the table, leaving room for snacks and drinks. Tip number 14. Personalized cozy kits. Surprise your guests with personalized cozy kits to enjoy during the movie. Use small gift bags or baskets and include essentials like fuzzy socks, a small blanket, hand warmers, and a sachet of hot cocoa mix. Add a personalized touch with name tags or handwritten notes. Choose packaging in winter colors like white, silver, or icy blue, and tie it with a ribbon for a polished look. These kits not only add to the cozy vibe, but also serve as thoughtful take-home gifts. That's all the top 14 tips to create a magical Winter Wonderland movie night setup at home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cozy and creative ideas.